Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about why learning Golang or Go should be on your radar in 2024. Whether you're an experienced developer or someone looking to pick up a new skill, there are some solid reasons why Go is one of the hottest languages out there right now. So, grab a coffee, sit back, and let's dive into it. Before I dive into the why, let's cover the what. Go is a programming language created by Google back in 2009, and it's quickly become a favorite among developers worldwide. But it's not just another programming language. Go is all about simplicity, efficiency, and scalability. These three traits make it perfect for today's development needs, especially in cloud services, web applications, and large-scale systems. 2024 is all about cloud computing, microservices, and high-performance applications. Go has proven itself time and again in these spaces, and it's continuing to grow in popularity. In fact, Go is a top language used by some of the biggest names in tech, such as Google, Uber, Netflix, and more. Now, look at Go's growth. Whether you are browsing GitHub projects or Stack Overflow discussions, Go is consistently trending upward. Make it a safe bet for long-term skills investment, which is always good. So whether you're looking for a job security or want to stay ahead of tech trends, learning Go now positions you to work on cutting-edge projects. Let's talk about speed. Go is fast, really fast. It's a compiled language, which means your code is translated directly into machine code, unlike interpreted languages like Python or JavaScript. To put this into perspective, apps written in Go can run much faster than apps in those other languages, while it's still being easier to write them low-level languages like C or C++. Go's performance makes it ideal for large-scale back-end services or any project where speed is critical. Go is designed to be simple. The syntax is clean, straightforward, and easy to read. For anyone who's struggled with the complexity of languages like C++, for example, Go feels like a breath of fresh air. It is really simple. Go's minimalism is not only makes your code easier to write, but it's also more maintainable in the long run. Go's third superpower is scalability. Today, most applications need to handle a lot of users, sometimes in the millions. With Go, scaling is built into the core, thanks to something called Go routines. Unlike traditional threads, which can be heavy and hard to manage, Go routines are lightweight and easy to use. This makes Go incredibly efficient when running thousands or even millions of concurrent processes. If you're working with microservices or cloud applications, Go gives a huge performance edge. Now, let's talk about who is using Go. Major players like Uber, Dropbox, and Twitch all use Go to power their critical parts of their infrastructure. Take Kubernetes, for example. It's the world's most popular container orchestration tool, and it's built entirely in Go. If you're working in DevOps, cloud-native environments, or just curious about how modern infrastructure works, understand Go is a massive advantage. Let's talk about jobs. Learning a new language is great, but is it worth it? The answer is a resounding yes. Go is in high demand in 2024, especially in sectors like cloud computing, DevOps, and blockchain development. The average salary for a Go developer, you may ask. It's easily north of 6 figures, with some positions offering even more depending on your experience and location. So it's on par with all the top tier languages. And it's not just the big names. Startups, SaaS companies, and even financial institutions are looking for Go developers. If you're looking for a high-paying job with plenty of growth opportunities, learning Go is a solid investment. Another thing that makes Go stand out is its ecosystem. The tooling around Go is incredibly powerful and well thought out. You've got Go FMT, which formats your code automatically, Go Doc for easy-to-read documentation, and a built-in testing framework with Go Test. So we have it all. These tools are designed to save you time and reduce friction, which means you spend less time worrying about setup, configuration, and more actually building the actual thing. And let's not forget the Go community. It's one of the most active and supportive developers communities out there. Whether you're learning through open source projects on GitHub, attending a Go conference, or just joining a local meetup, there is always someone ready to help you. no matter what. Plus, there are plenty of learning resources available from official Go documentation to awesome online courses and even YouTube tutorials. Well, like this one. You are never alone when you're learning Go. Now, let's address a couple of common questions I get about learning Golang. Is it hard to learn Go? Well, honestly, the answer is no. Go was designed to be easy to pick up, even if you're coming from a different language like JavaScript, Python, C, or Java. It has a really smaller set of features, which means less things to memorize, but enough power to get all the job done. Question number two is, how does Go compare to Rust? Well, Rust is another popular language that's often compared to Go. And while they are both great, they solve different problems. Rust is more focused on safety and control, whereas Go is all about simplicity and speed in concurrent, large-scale systems. So, there you have it. Whether you're looking for a language that's fast, simple, scalable, or in high demand, Go ticks all the boxes. In 2024, Go is more relevant than ever, and learning it could open up some amazing opportunities for your career. That's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content on Go and other programming topics. If you are excited to start learning Go, drop a comment below and let me know what you'd like to see in the future videos. So, until next time, and I'll see you guys.